looking great, and preferably on top. 2 weeks is all it takes to get what you really want. Swap 2 meals a day for Slim Fast protein shakes or bars, get in a 30-minute workout, and stick to a 1,200-calorie diet to lose up to 6 pounds in your first 14 days. Find Slim Fast at a super center near you.
Here's what's in the mix this week.
Want to earn an easy 15,000 Mix VIP points and get exciting offers and promotions sent right to your email? Sign up at GetMyPerks.com. You'll get a welcome to Get My Perks email with a special bonus code worth 15,000 Mix VIP points that you can use to win tons of great prizes.
Take home a 4-pack of tickets to the premiere of Ride Along, Tuesday, January 14th at AMC Castleton. It's up for grabs in the Mix VIP.